Hey, what's up? Okay, so it is 1:20 at night and I can't go to sleep. So I'm just gonna talk to y'all, I guess. So what have y'all been doing lately? My polar bears out there, or anybody that's watching these. I know I don't get very many views on my videos, but that's okay. I'll sometimes go back on my own videos and watch them just so I can see, you know, how my moods are. They're pretty stable, I guess, so that's good. Anyways, so yeah, you like my green light? That was for Veterans Day Friday, and I got it in my little lamp here. Anyways, so how are y'all doing? No, it is 1:21, and yeah, I've been watching TV, watching shows that been recorded, and trying to get caught up on all my shows, and so that's about it. And I'm tired. I'm tired, y'all. Oh my god. I don't feel good. I feel like crap. And I don't even know if I'm going to post this. Hey, but I do got me a Coke. Oh my god, it's so good. I usually don't drink sodas at night, but I figure what the hell. Can't sleep anyway. Freaking insomnia is killing me. So, anyways, yeah. Let's see. So, what shall we talk about? Oh god. And my neck's been killing me, y'all. Does anybody know how to give good massages out there? Oh, if my husband was here, he'd give me one, but he's at work tonight, so. But yeah. He don't get in till the morning, so. Oh, excuse me. That's what Coke does. Excuse me. If I belch really loud here in a minute, y'all, I apologize. So, what should we talk about? Since I can't sleep, I need to get my hair done, y'all. It's looking really, really bad. I mean, not bad, but you know, my roots are growing out. And I want to keep it blonde because it gets, my natural hair color is like it's kind of like a dirty blonde color. Dirty blonde. Yeah, I'm a dirty blonde. That's what my husband says. Anyways, so, but I want to keep it light like this because I like it better. Because in the wintertime, it does get darker, my natural color. And I just look too washed out with dark hair. I just look washed out and too white. And so I don't really particularly, I can't even talk, guys, because it's so late. Oh my God. Oh, I'm getting delirious. So somebody's got to give me a comment. Just let me know that, hey, you're watching, and yeah, something. Gosh, give me some kind of excitement, y'all, please. I don't even know why YouTube. I don't even know why. Because most of the time I'm just talking to my tablet. That's it. I just don't feel like anybody watches these, but that's okay. I mean, that's probably why I don't do them so much. But maybe if I do more of them, I don't know. Tell me. Anybody's watching? Anybody watches this besides myself? Tell me, what am I doing wrong? Okay? What am I doing wrong? Oh, God, I'm getting a headache. I don't know. My house really smells good right now, guys. It smells like lavender. Oh my God, it smells so freaking good. Anyways, yeah, I know. And I put fabric sheet softeners. I think that's how you said it. I think I said it. Anyways, in my pillowcase, and it snuggles lavender. Fabric sheet softener. Anyways, I'm sorry, guys. I'm just tired. But I put that in my pillowcase, and oh my God, it just makes my pillow smell so good. Y'all need to try it. And it's relaxing. Yeah. Hey, this is actually helping with me vlogging with y'all. It's helping me get sleepy. Thank you. Thanks, YouTube. So, anyways, let's see what else. Yeah, I talk about until I fall asleep with y'all. If I fall asleep while making this vlog, then I just want to say good night. No, I'm not gonna fall asleep. I'll say goodbye before I go to sleep. Anyways, oh my God, y'all are making me yawn. Uh, okay. Anyways, so I guess this is helping me talking to myself. It's actually working. I can't even. I'm like slurring now. So, anyways, I'm taking a drink of my Coke. Yep, it's good. Okay. Well, I don't know if I'm even gonna upload this. I don't know if I'll upload this video, but if I do, then Sorry if I made y'all guys. Y'all guys. Excuse me. Sorry if I made y'all tired. Oh my God, pardon me. Oh my God. Excuse me. Oh my gosh, how rude of me. Anyways, so I guess I'll see y'all later. Thanks for watching. And if you want some more craziness, just subscribe. And, yeah. So, I'm gonna, sorry, I'm stuffy now. I'm gonna turn off the light. Good night, y'all. Good night. Sleep tight.